Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, let's take a look at the $80 million mansion of Mark Wahlberg. Now, if you remember his name, you will know that he broke on the scene back in '91 with his hip-hop group Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch before moving on to a really successful movie career. He was modeling for Calvin Klein. You can see him in some of the biggest movies with some of the biggest stars now. What a way to really just, extend your career. You start off doing one thing and now he's basically known not only for being a star in movies, but for all of his business endeavors. Now, this beautiful home built in 2014, and it's also a chateau-like home, it sits on a sprawling 6-acre lot in North Beverly Park, which is the most exclusive gated community in Los Angeles, if not the entire West Coast. Taking inspiration from old European chateaus, Richard Landry built this beautiful structure that just oozes luxury and sophistication both inside and out. Okay, but let's talk about Mark Wahlberg's home. This mansion has 12 bedrooms and 20 bathrooms. In matching the grandeur of the property's grounds, the mansion itself offers an impressive 30,000 square feet of luxuriously appointed living space. So visitors are greeted by a 2-story entry lobby that leads to a stunning living room and dining room. You're going to have coffered ceilings that just hang over the several fireplaces and the arched doors that you'll see in this entry. You'll also see a beautiful dual staircase. I absolutely love the gray and black and white, and I love those pops of nature with the matching trees. Also take a look at this massive living room. It's gorgeous. It lets in tons of light. Look at the detail of the ceiling, and I love his home decor choice. Now let me know in the comments section, what would you call this type of decor? I think it's a mix between luxurious glam, transitional, even a little mid-century modern in there. He has a lot going on, and I am here for it. Once again, the dining room is a room with a lot going on, including a beautiful chandelier. You even have some textured pattern wallpaper there, and of course, a table big enough to fit your whole entire family. The main level also includes an enormous kitchen family room complex that comes with pantries, a separate prep kitchen, and of course staff quarters and offices. I mean, you need an office. Where else are you going to make all this money? This home is just absolutely beautiful to me. Now let's take a look at his beautiful primary bedroom suite here. It's almost a mix between modern organic, modern transitional, and a little bit of luxurious glam. It's gorgeous. You also have a luxurious primary bathroom complete with a seating area and a fireplace, and look at all of this marble in here. Next we have a gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, closet big enough for really the whole family, not to mention just the homeowners. And of course, like many homes we see, if you are a wine lover or a wine collector, you must, and I mean must, have a wine room. This one has not only a cellar, but a seating area to enjoy your beverages as well. Now, if you are an A-list Hollywood star like Mr. Mark, you absolutely have to have a theater room or a viewing room to view all of your latest movies. Now, as we all know, Mark is in amazing shape, and if you want to know why, he is known for starting his day as early as 2:30 a.m. to make sure he gets up, gets a good breakfast, and a full workout in. Now, another thing that he makes time for every day is playing golf. He has his own 5-hole golf course and golf driving range. But golf isn't the only thing to do at Marky Mark's mansion. Listen, it has a resort-like grotto pool, a skate park, a guest house, all in total privacy. Like the listing points out, it's a complete private country club. Okay, friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course, subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.